Growing indoor plants in mugs. I have done many videos about how to grow plants in mugs. What are the plants that you can grow in mugs? So today I will show you what are the top plants that you can easily grow in coffee mugs. If you have any old coffee mugs, use them with or without drainage holes and keep these plants indoors. So this is best way to decorate your home with indoor plants without any trouble. So I will show you the best plants that will fit into these small mugs. The most easiest plant to grow in coffee mugs, and I suggest Pothos. This is golden pothos, and there are many varieties of pothos that I have grown beautifully in these coffee mugs. So these pothos plants are very easy to grow by stems, and we already know how to grow them, how to propagate them. So do not try the new cuttings in these coffee mugs, but always you can put the ones that have already rooted. So select well rooting plants for these coffee mugs, and well rooting pothos plants for the mugs to grow. So select one of them and put them with garden soil and sand, and decorate with any stones, pebbles, and you can grow them very easily. So pothos I have grown in this coffee mug, and here also another mug. See how beautifully they are growing. And here also I have another plant, and I do not throw away any of these old coffee mugs. I collect them. Now this is one of my daughter's coffee mugs, and here I have another one. So all are money pothos. So the most easiest plant to grow in coffee mugs are pothos. Next very easy to grow plant is Syngonium. So now this is a Syngonium plant in this coffee mug, and there are no drainage holes. So you can grow these plants with or without drainage holes. There are many videos that I have done how to care for these plants, so you can watch them after watching this video. I'll put the link in the description. Next easy to grow plant is this snake plants. You can grow them really very easily. Even you can skip watering on regular basis. You can water them once in 2 days. That is also to the roots, and this also without any drainage hole. So these plants are beautifully fits into coffee mugs. Now here I have some aloe vera plants growing in coffee mugs. Here also no drainage hole. Easy low maintenance plant. In this coffee mug also I have this aloe vera plant, but here is a small drainage hole here, and this plant also nicely fit into coffee mugs. You can keep them indoors as they are air purification plants and also vastu plants. This is the only flowering plant that I have put in coffee mugs. So this is Epsia, and there's a red flower appearing in it, and this is also foliage, so beautiful. So you can grow them also in these coffee mugs. So this is a spider plant. I put a small spiderette in this. Now it is growing so well, and here is a small drainage hole in this. And also I have a philodendron plant here in this coffee mug. So these are the plants that you can grow simply, beautifully in your home as indoor plants in coffee mugs. So don't throw away your old coffee mugs. Reuse them, recycle them, so that you can grow plants, use it in gardening. So these are the best plants for indoors also. Most of them are purified plants. I hope you find this video very useful. If you find it useful, give it a big like, and also if you are new, consider subscribing to my channel for more upcoming gardening videos. So thank you and see you soon.